Please state your first name.
Candace.
And what symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I had severe pain in both knees and my back, and was told that the only help for my knee was complete knee replacement.
Okay. And what was the severity of your symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10?
10.
Okay. How was your problem affecting your daily life?
It kept me from enjoying my family, but it was very difficult to go even to work. I managed to, but it was very difficult.
And what services did you receive while you were here?
I received rehab and injections, both the trigger point and the joint injections, adjustments, decompression, and massage.
Okay. And what has your experience been like here?
It has been wonderful. I enjoy coming from the time I walk in the door until I leave again. Everybody has been great.
And how has your life changed?
It's changed a lot for the better. I have very little pain, but I know I'm aware that some things that I do, I need to change, and I work on those every day. The education was another thing that, a lot of people don't think it's a service, but it really is when you're sharing education on how to maintain your body and how to be aware of what you're doing that may affect that.
Mm-hmm. And would you recommend Palmetto to your friends and family?
Absolutely, I do.
Excellent. Thank you.